Statistics have shown that the maize floor price has been eroded by 36.6% from May 2010 to May 2014. Stakeholders in the agriculture sector have noted that by now, the maize floor price should range from the expected 70 kwacha 79 ngwee in 2010 to 92 kwacha 26 ngwee in 2014. This means that the farmers' challenges have not been exactly addressed by the 5 kwacha increased maize floor price, considering that the cost of production has gone up in terms of inputs. Therefore, the inadequate profit on maize will affect the small and medium-scale farmers' productivity during the next season. With the high minimal prices on the market and the high rate of inflation, the Zambia National Farmers Union, ZNFU, has challenged government to revisit the floor price if they are keen to feed the nation or risk recording low yields during the next farming season.
I think if the government is very mindful about feeding this nation, the maize price should be revisited and the price should be increased. Because if we do not produce maize, government will be importing maize at an equivalence of 120,000 per bag.
The Zambia National Farmers Union President, Evelyn Kuleka, has advised government to dialogue with the stakeholders who are the producers of the maize on the maize price.
Always encourage government to dialogue, to discuss. Government should be mindful of what would happen if the people who produce this food are not going to do it.
Mrs. Nkoleka implored the private sector to come in and try to address the maize pricing crisis with a view of addressing the farmers' predicament.
This tells us is that the government does not want to buy our maize. And we hope that the private sector will understand our plight and be able to offer us a better price.
The recently announced maize floor price by the Ministry of Agriculture has the potential to discourage farmers from growing the crop, as it does not allow them to recover their labor costs. This, however, will result in high poverty levels among farmers and hamper food security of the nation. Cecilia Kaya, Movie TV Business News, Lusaka.